Hello, Namaste. How are you all? Hope you're all good. Thank you for all your support. Today I'll share with you something very important. So don't miss the video. Please watch till the end. I'll go slowly so that you can follow me. I'll tell you how you can put a thumbnail to your shorts video or YouTube shorts. I'll share with you two simple tricks that you can follow to put a thumbnail to your YouTube shorts. First, go to YouTube app on your mobile. As shown in the picture, you click on plus symbol and click on create a short. You click on left corner box as shown in the picture. Here you can choose a video that to be uploaded. Here you see your video playing. The first trick that you can use is, as you see the video playing here, you see which part of the video you have to put as thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. There you stop the video and click on done. I'll tell you again. As you see in the picture, the video is playing from first to last. And I'll stop by a frame that is interesting for me to put as thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. See how I does. So this is the video frame. That is the open box trolley suitcase. That is interesting for me to put as thumbnail. I'll stop by this frame and click on done. If you don't like this thumbnail, you can change in the second and third step of your upload. So do watch. After clicking on done, you can add the sound to your video. If you have not added any sounds or music to your shorts video, here I am adding sounds to my shorts video from the drop-down list as you see in the picture from the saved items. After you select the sound to your shorts video, now click on tick mark as shown in the picture. Here you see the shorts video playing again from first to last. As I said earlier, you can select any of the frame in the video and click on next. Once again you can see here the video is still playing. Have stopped by a frame as you see in the picture and clicked on next. So this frame appears as thumbnail in the shorts feed. You can check out afterwards. So this is the first trick that you can use. You've got one more trick. I'll tell you now. After clicking on next, you see this type of screen appearing. You can click on pencil icon to choose your thumbnail again as shown in the picture. After you click, you see here from first to last your shorts video frames appear. You can navigate as shown in the picture and select a frame that should be a thumbnail for your YouTube shorts video. Click on done. That's it you got to do. Here you can see the difference in your thumbnail before and after using the pencil icon. You can give the title of the video, description and other details and click on upload short. After uploading, you can see here whatever the frame I have selected previously has appeared in the shorts feed as you see in the picture. And from now on you can put interesting thumbnails to your shorts video as you does for your long form content videos. So that's it all for today. Keep watching. Flying Skies One. Do subscribe. Have a good day. Keep smiling.